R1 sounds nice. Alright, we got everybody here.
I remember syrup sandwiches and crime allowances for less than they did be homeschooled.
Oh, those are right.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
What's going on, YouTube? I know it's been a while since I posted any kind of vlog, but today, me with some buddies right now, we're gonna be going for a canyon ride up through that guy. It's a beautiful morning. I just got my Alpine Stars helmet, and it took a minute for me to get the chin mount installed. I got the lav mic installed by DJI as well, so hopefully the audio is clear on that. I guess we'll find out. R1 sounds nice. Alright, we got everybody here. I'm just a slow one. Oh shoot, water. Whew, I was wondering what was going on. Waterfall. Catch up to these guys real quick. There's the gang. Alright. Some of this will be cut out just because it's a long little canyon ride. So, up in the front, we got the Blade. Oh no, that's the R1. Then with the Blade, a Jigster, Harley, ZX10R, and then this is an N500. So a Ninja 500, but naked version. Beautiful morning, 68 degrees right now. It's 8 a.m. Took about an hour for everybody to get together, but we're here now. Oh, I love this ride. Can't wait to get out of here though. Open her up. We're missing a couple people. One of the guys in our group, sadly, shout out to UT. He's like our main leader, and he actually went down on his bike. He's got the ZX10R, so that thing's gonna have to be fixed so he can ride. And then another friend, not gonna mention names, but he one of his axle bolts stripped, so missing two. Yeah, T is a crazy good rider, but problem with the canyon is sometimes some gravel trucks go through, and got to be aware of that. He hit some gravel, but luckily he's all right. Just got to get his bike fixed. I love this R10. The breathability is so stinking nice. It's just got a lot of good airflow. It almost feels like you don't even have a helmet on. Oh, there's a guy water skiing down there. Trying to scare him? where are we going? I don't even know where we're going today. About to find out, I guess. We got the Insta set up, just so we're running it right now. And then, obviously, I'm on the GoPro. All right, we ready. Heading back down and get some grub. I'm gonna try to shoot content, so going last. Right when a bug got in here. No more rocks, bro. That ZX10R sounds so stinking good. I hope you guys can hear that. But I'll put it together real for Instagram. Speaking of, I'm on Instagram now. You can check me out at Bikelife, and yeah, appreciate any kind of followers there. There'll be different content than what I always post on YouTube. And I'm actually kind of surprised on how much that channel's grown. A few friends told me to do some thirst traps, so hope you don't mind that. I ended up doing an audio recording with my audio recorder for better sound of all of our bikes. We did a little bit of a rev off, and you'll be able to check that out. By the time I post this video, should already be up on my Instagram, so I'll edit that first. We're just cruising now, just enjoying a nice, comfortable ride, nice and relaxed. This guy's not even looking. Trying to remember what corner had all that gravel on it. Our buddy just went down with gravel, so not today, but he went down a different day. So I got that in the back of my mind now. Way to warm the tires now. Get the footage being in the back, but it's not even worth it. Especially my boy up here on the ZX6. That thing is kicking. Ah, dude, you see that? I don't know if my camera can pick that up. I may have to pass. We got the razors out. Beautiful day for it. Got the plane up in the sky. Look at all this. Utah, baby. Let's go. This is so cool. I'm just taking it all in now. We got all these planes up here. Alright, I'll catch up.